Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. So I just finished doing my hair. I am loving this hair. Hopefully you guys did check out the description box on the last video that I posted, where I had all the links to the hair and some of the items that I picked up from Forever 21. But I just finished getting ready. I need to do a mukbang, and then after that I'm gonna get dressed and go to the mall to take back those tights that I showed you guys. I did receive something in the mail. I plan on wearing it today. I'm so excited to share this with y'all. So let me show y'all. Hold on. Okay, here it is, y'all. Are y'all ready for this? First of all, can we get into this packaging? This is so cute. So this is from a company called ITALO Jewelry. And look at this packaging. So cute. Here's the pieces that I chose. Let me just pull them out. Look at this. So pretty. So I picked out this beautiful ring, and also I picked up a nice tennis bracelet. Now this company has jewelry for everybody. If you like really flashy jewelry, if you like simple jewelry like me, they have all of that available on their website. Also, they have like ring sets, engagement ring sets, everything that you can think of, they have it on there. They have necklaces, bracelets. I have my eye on this one necklace that I plan on getting. Who, me? Are you talking to me? But look how pretty this looks, y'all. So beautiful. Yes. So I'll leave the link to the pieces that I chose in the description box, plus the promo code, so you guys can get 20% off. Remember, if you don't like it for whatever reason, I don't see why you wouldn't like it. But if you don't like your pieces, you're not happy with your pieces, they have a 60-day return policy. And also, if you are in love with your pieces like I am, because I'm sure y'all will be in love with the pieces, you do have a 1-year warranty. They also include this silver polishing cloth. If you need to clean your jewelry, you can put your jewelry in this cute little baggie. I am loving this blue. It is so cute. But I'll be wearing this all day. Looking real fancy. So I'll have all the links in the description box below. The 20% off code, I'll have the links to the website. I'll make sure that I include the links to the items that I chose, the bracelet and the ring. So happy shopping. All right, y'all, so I think I'm gonna have a glass of Prosecco. So Tony bought a new one, the Cupcake brand. I've never tried this brand before. This one right here was the one that I picked up from Trader Joe's, and it was really good. I love it. So I'm gonna have a glass of that. I know I look crazy, y'all. It's been a long day. I just woke up from a nap not too long ago. I've been thinking about joining the Cooper's Hawks wine club. I think it's like $35 a month, and you get 2 bottles of wine each month. I think they randomly send them out to you to try, or maybe you pick them out yourself. I'm not too sure. I know my best friend has a membership. So I need to go on the website just to read up on how it works exactly. And I think I might join, because y'all know I like trying different wines. So I think it only makes sense for me to just sign up to like a little wine club. So I have to get Tony to open this because I don't want to break my nails. So let's get him to open it so we can have some wine together. I love y'all so much. Y'all so beautiful. So I'm getting ready to make a homemade pizza. I like to use this cauliflower crust. I got this from Walmart for, I want to say, about $4. And it comes with 2 in a pack. So I just cut up some bell pepper and onion. I'll be using this marinara sauce, mozzarella, and I'm gonna pull some greens from out of my spring mix. And then I'll just slice up some olives, and that's pretty much it. And it's so good, y'all. But I forgot one thing, because I like to add tomato. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some tomato, top it with cheese, and pop it in the oven. All right, y'all, so I made a little side salad, and here's my pizza. This is like my guilt-free pizza. It's so good, y'all. Now I'm gonna have some edamame for a little late night snack. I love edamame, especially when I have my sushi. And I bought these from Trader Joe's. They're lightly seasoned, but they're really good to snack on. So that's what I'll be having for my little late night snack. It's like 9 o'clock right now. But these are so good. Hey y'all, I'm standing in front of the window. I know it's super bright. I'm trying to edit the vlog that you guys are watching right now. And if you guys notice, like in the first clips of this video, that clicking noise, it's because my viewfinder, the screw is loose, and the viewfinder is just like flopping everywhere. And so I'm trying to find the screwdriver, because Tony had gave me an extra screwdriver. Oh, here it is, right here. Found it. So if you have the G7X, keep one of these on deck. It's like a really teeny tiny screwdriver, and you can tighten up your own screws because they will come loose. So sorry about that noise. Let me walk up here. Y'all, I never made it to the mall yesterday because it started raining cats and dogs. I don't feel like going today because I needed to edit this vlog. So maybe I'll go tomorrow and take that stuff back. Tony's off, so he can come with me. These glasses are like so crooked. These are Tony's because I don't know where mine is. So yeah, I'm so tired, y'all. I haven't even had nothing to eat yet. It is, damn, it's early. It is 9:25. I've been up since like 6:30. So I had some coffee, and I need to fix me something to eat because I'm a little hungry. Let me show y'all these pants. Hopefully y'all can see them, but these are the, let me turn y'all up some because it's so dark. These are the pants that I got from Forever 21. They're really high waist. So these are just like I told y'all, I'll be lounging around in these, and also I'm working out in these. This is how the back looks. Let me pull them up some, child. This is how they look in the back. So can y'all see? This is how the back looks. Lift them up a little bit. So yeah. Hi there. Y'all, this is yesterday's curls. They still look so good. I'm getting ready to do a quick workout on TV, probably on YouTube. I put a little bit of makeup on because I was gonna take some pictures today, but then I'm just like, I'm just not in the mood. Auntie Flo will be here in maybe like 2 days, and I can really tell. So I basically did my makeup for nothing. Well, I guess I could look cute for y'all, period. But I'm getting ready to do somebody workout today, because I can really tell that I've dropped a few pounds, because I've been like really trying to eat as clean as I can. It hasn't been like perfect, but I've been doing a really good job. Even when I do my mukbangs, I haven't been using butter on my crabs. I just know how to make it look that way, but I haven't been using butter at all. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I can actually feel the difference. So I'm gonna continue to do that. I've been posting like a lot of my meals that I've been eating and stuff on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, you should. IAMSHERIKAB. I've just been trying to do like a lot of salads, greens, you know, whatever I can, just try to get creative. And then you guys know that I bought those cookbooks just so I can try some different things, some healthier options. No, I'm not going vegan, but I wouldn't mind, you know, if I could substitute regular meal every now and then. There's nothing wrong with that. So I want to try to find like some healthier options, and then also just to learn some new recipes, because sometimes I do get bored, and I do actually enjoy cooking. So I just thought that, you know, getting the cookbooks would be fun. I'm gonna try some this weekend. I don't know if I showed y'all my latest cookbook that I got in, but I do have another, I think I did, I'm sure I did, soul food, vegan soul food. So they give you like a grocery list of all the things that you would need. So I need to go to the store this weekend to do that, and I want to make me like a really good soup, because I love soup. I don't care like the weather outside. I like chili, different types of soup all year round. That's just my thing. I really do enjoy soups. So that's probably like the first thing that I want to do. So this weekend I'll just get that grocery list together and go to the store, and then we can, you know, play around in that cookbook. So yeah, right now I'm getting ready to look up something on YouTube. I want to do like a real walk. I probably do like one of those little hip hop workouts. So let's see what we can find. Where's my remote? All right, y'all. He wore me out. Ooh. See y'all later.